Contributing to the consistent high ratings of Nick Bulaga as Our Dog in the successful Calle Serie segment.
Plus, they achieved several recognitions and nominations as Power Tandem and Love Team of the Year.
This is wall-to-wall billboards of these two, the breakthrough male and female stars of Philippine entertainment, Alden Richards and May Mendoza.
Presenting the award from the Guillermo Foundation as Councilor Aika Sanchez and Mr. Alan Pecco.
Hindi po, nagpapasalamat po ako sa lahat ng bumubulang Guillermo Awards at considering the short time that I've been in this industry, isang malaking bagay po sa akin na mapabilang po dito at makilala. Kaya maraming salamat po ulit.
Thank you so much po to Guillermo Awards. Ako po, I've been in the industry for a little over 5 years now. And ang tagal ko pong hinintay yung pagkakataon to. So maraming salamat po sa pagkakataon binigay niyo sa lahat po na nagmamahal sa amin, sa Aldenatics, sa Aldat Nation, sa Maincharge, sa Ministers, lahat po ng mga fans clubs na sumusuport at nagmamahal sa amin. Maraming salamat po. Lord Jesus Christ, thank you so much. God bless everyone.